I'd like you all to sit up straight. And if possible, try and sit still. Close your eyes. Try and still your mind for a moment. And I want you to think about a person that you love the most. Bring that person in front of you, in the front of your attention. And now I want you to feel, what does it feel like for you to be in the presence of that person that you're so in love with, the one that you love the most? What do your feelings feel like? Just take a moment to notice what your feelings are. Now, keeping your eyes closed, just for a moment, if you can imagine this whole auditorium filled with all of these beautiful people, thousands of people in this auditorium, I want you to imagine that every single person in this room has the face of the person that you love. And notice how you're feeling for all of that changes. How do you now feel about every single person in this room? Imagine that there are thousands of people in this room and they all have the face of the one that you love. Now I want you to do something. Imagine that your face is starting to change into the one that you love. You become that person that you're in love with, and everyone around you is that person that you love with, and notice how you feel. Thank you so much for doing that with me. Feel free to open your eyes.